Chat. W's in the chat. We got Ashton Small.
Yeah.
My brother from Rwanda.
Rwanda. Just say Rwanda.
Rwanda. How do I say W's? How do I say W? W in Rwanda.
Rwanda. Just say Rwanda.
Rwanda.
No. Pronunciation. Wait. Rwanda. Yeah. Just Gwinurari.
The Rwanda.
Just say
Rwanda.
Yeah.
The Rwanda. It's love. It's love. W's in the chat. Where y'all at, man? It's 6 p.m. right now. We about to go work out. We just posted our first run video. Super excited about that. As you guys can see, I usually don't do captions. I usually just put up, like, you know, when I was with Indian Ash, it was a crazy moment. He'll be out here within the next 2 days as well. But when I was with him, I just put Indian Ash. Or when I do like my run videos, I usually just put something chill, like lock in, keep going. But when I met Ashton Small, what's your government name? What's your actual name?
Actually,
your birth name?
Yeah, Enoch.
Enoch?
Yeah.
Enoch?
Yeah, it's a name from my parents.
Enoch?
Enoch Uize.
Is that what you go by, Enoch?
Enoch
Uize.
Yeah.
When I met my guy Enoch, right? He had a story, you know what I'm saying? And his biggest thing for me, oh, we gotta get up on the story. I gotta post on the story real quick. The promo on the story. I need a promo on the story. But yeah, when I met my guy Enoch, he told me his biggest push was disability not inability, right?
Disability is not inability.
Disability is not inability. So for me, I just got piped up. I was lit, you know what I'm saying? He started making the routine videos. As you guys know, I came out here to find African Ashton Hall, and I noticed his videos, and I'm like, dang, like, this dude's still getting it in, like, you know what I'm saying? He rocked up. You know, he had like 40,000 followers. He was posting every single day. You started with 40K, right? Yeah, 40,000 followers. Yeah. And now he's at, today you hit 200,000.
Yeah.
200,000.
Yeah.
Okay, 200,000, and you had a video hit 100 million, right?
Yeah, 100 million video.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
So he's getting the views, and I felt like, you know, God is pushing him to the world because he has a story to tell. So I wanted to know, you know, what it was that was keeping him going, like what was pushing him forward. And he told me disability is not inability. And I'm like, shoot, if he can do it, the whole world can. You know, where you at? But nah, this Wi-Fi ain't working for me though. This Wi-Fi not working.
Refresh.
We're 2 minutes away from the gym right now. I'm trying to get this little story post up. Nah, it ain't working. Oh yeah, it is. Boom. Copy. Do we have the actual picture? Check our heart.
Yes.
We don't have heart problems.
Straight legs.
We got too much heart.
Bend knees, still on your lunge. Now close the carriage, lift your left knee up. Good, bring the right knee towards your chest. Knees, hold, stay. 3, 2, 1, softly land. 2 more. Again, straighten out, the knee doesn't touch.
Starting to feel that.
Good. Deep breath in. Exhale, close the carriage and lift. Hold, stay. 3, good. 2, 1, last one. Close, open out, deep breath in. Exhale, gently lift. Hold, 3, 2, 1, softly land.
Okay.
Now we're out.
First class of Pilates done.
Easy peasy.
How you feel?
I feel better.
Like a champ.
Easy peasy.
Let's
How
do
do
it.
you feel though?
I feel good.
Right?
I felt it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yep.
You did amazing.
Thanks for joining. Love.
Your mic.
Information you need, but there are tour guides in there that are going to assist. We also have a no picture policy with some of the cars, so we
No pictures?
plead that you respect that.
No worries.
Yes.
You just let us know the card.
Sorry? So you just tilt it in a way that wouldn't show. Yes. So they'll take it from here. They'll check your tickets and take you inside. Please enjoy your visit.
Let's do it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Being everywhere gets you nowhere.
Okay.
Thank you.
Where's Echo?
He's on the door. This is it's like Khalifa's.
This is hard.
That was a crazy collection so far.
Where Dante at?
You gotta do this in
Where you at when? Where you went? Oh, really? Right? Where the freak Dante went? Dang, this is the door? B, you gotta get that shot. Let's think ASMR. We pull in, we get these clips. Let's get it. Are we welcome? What's up, bro?
I welcome you to Ghana.
Are you you're the tour guide?
My name is Frank.
Frank?
I'm going to be your guide also.
Good to meet you, Frank.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Yes, that's fine.
So you are welcome to Despite Automobile Museum once
That's
again.
gospel music?
What song is that? Are you the one playing the music? Oh.
That's
So,
gospel. That's gospel. I can hear it.
Yeah, it's gospel.
They praising God back there. I like that. That's you?
It's actually one.
That's you? For sure.
Yes.
It's gospel, yeah.
So we are going to begin our tour from this point.
Huh? Who? Oh, yeah, for sure. He's always here.
So we are going to be seeing about 60 vintage cars. And the first one we have here is a Volkswagen.
This is what I want to do, brother. If you don't mind, can we go see the Bugatti?
The Bugatti.
Let's go see the Bugatti.
Unfortunately, that is parked in his private
Oh, that's
living
fact.
room.
We can't see.
So we can only see it from the glass door,
All
but
right,
we can't.
Let's start with the Lambo.
The Lambo, okay,
Let's
that's
do
fine.
that. Let's do that.
We
Thank
can
you,
use
brother.
this side.
Not really a vintage guy. Can we touch the cars or not really?
No, you can tell.
No touching? Got you.
Still on your lunge. Now close the carriage, lift your left knee up. Good, bring the right knee towards your chest. Knees, hold, stay. 3, 2, 1, softly land. 2 more. Again, straighten out, the knee doesn't touch.
Starting to feel that,
Good.
man.
Deep breath in. Exhale, close the carriage and lift. Hold, stay. 3, good. 2, 1, last one. Close, open out, deep breath in. Exhale, gently lift. Hold, 3, 2, 1, softly land.
Okay.
Now we're out.
First class of Pilates done.
Easy peasy.
How you feel?
Feel better.
Like a champ.
Easy peasy.
Ah. Let's
How do
do
you
it.
feel though?
I feel good.
Right?
I felt it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yep.
You did amazing.
Thanks for joining. Love.
Your mic.